Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Listen, I'm so glad you're here. I have something that I really want to show you. While you sleep, the wheel must keep spinning.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
And I mean the wheel, I mean the money wheel. Good morning guys. So now I am gonna get myself ready for a 12-hour shift. So I'm gonna pack my lunch. Let's go. My lunch box, lunch pack. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, so I have to be very quiet because my daughter is sleeping. I got a bagel. I'm gonna have it with some avocado. My crisps. Avocado, banana, orange. I'm gonna add some peanut butter to my avocado sandwich. I like peanut butter. I'm taking a muffin for my tea break. I'm taking a custard. Good morning. I have to whisper because my daughter is still sleeping. So this is a nice little cute bag. I'm packing my lunch. Feel like I'm going off the wall, but I'm not. And then I'm taking 2 tea bags. I know probably most of you are still sleeping at this time, but it's 6:15 a.m. in the morning. I'm fully ready. It's Sunday today. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. So I'm ready. Hope you have a great day today. And if you're at work or you're going to work like me, I hope it's going well. I hope it goes well. So guess what? I'll see you later. There's nothing much in my bag. That's my snack bag. This is my lunch box for my dinner because I'm doing a 12-hour shift, so I have to bring food unless I'll be buying these expensive food out here in the street. You know what? I bought a boba tea yesterday. And do you know how much it cost me? Almost 10 of it for one boba tea. It's expensive in these streets, so you have to work. So anyway, listen, whatever you're doing today, have a great day. Remember, God loves us and we are God's children. Be kind to each other and look after each other. Bye.
7 a.m. in the UK. Blessings, walk and talk with Nettie. Big up yourself.
So, wait 1 second. Before I get into that, I hope you had a wonderful day today. And I hope whatever you did was productive. But yeah, I have something that I want to show you. I never had this before. I am so I don't know. I am excited. I'm going to show you, okay? Don't go anywhere. Stay. Don't go, stay. I'm going to show you. Don't go. This is it. Okay, here's the cake. Let's try it together. I'm trying to open it. It's very secure because I'm in my PJs. I just came home from work. Well, not just, like about 30 minutes ago. I want to get up and get a knife to open it or something, but it must have it's very secure. Hold on. Okay, it smells savory. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. Okay, here we go. This is the mooncake. And I must give a big shout out to my co-worker at work. I'm gonna try it. Oh, smells really good. But there was something at the, there was a little packet inside. Don't know what this is about. Thank you, Cindy. Thank you. Oh, what's this? This is like salt. I don't know what that is. Oh, now I break into it. Can you see it? Is it focusing? Oh, it smells so good. There we go. That's what it looks like. No, I didn't bite into it. I break it. You know, smells delish. Let me taste the pastry. I like it. Pastry is very nice. It's my first time, so I'm kind of hesitant. But I know it's nice because it smells divine. It smells lovely. Oh yeah. It's very sweet. But it's quite good. I like the pastry. Pastry is delicious. And let me try the inside. Very chocolatey. So this is my mooncake, guys. So I have my tea underneath. I'm gonna have it with that now. So listen, whatever you're having, enjoy.